Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We do product and food reviews. And today we have this little thing.
The Hurricane Windshield Wizard.
I know some people don't like when I open them prematurely, but I had a friend who had a couple and they didn't work. So I wanted to make sure this did work before we used it. So this is to clean the inside of your windshield. I've seen these before, some of them. They're kind of like in a triangle to get like in the...
Yeah.
But none of them had the squirter before. Because I had like a Dollar Tree one, but I never...
And it was just the microfiber?
Yes. And this does come with extra.
Yes, two.
So you could...
And what is the price?
Wash this but not dry. It's $14.99. I got it at Walmart. So in order to know if the inside is clean, we need to clean the outside.
Yes.
So we are gonna go take a little field trip to the car wash.
Yes, we are.
So here we go. Okay, so when it comes out of the package, it's like this. So it folds up, which is nice. So you could put it in your glove box. Like that.
Okay.
So you can see the tube. So here is the button to press, to bend. And then this is the button to press to make the water squirt out. And it does move around, so. And then this comes off.
So you can wash it?
Yep, but just don't dry it. Okay, so you put the water in here. It says twist and slip. Goes that way. Alright, twist this off. Now the water. Hopefully I don't spill this all over Robin's car. Should have brought a funnel.
So
it's kind of weird because you can see the...
it has like that, and you think, is it supposed to go inside?
Right, it's like you have to be upside down to get it.
Yeah.
But it did work, so we'll see. And you can see there's a, you can see that with a fill line.
Okay.
So not spill all over.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to squirt it on? So I guess it would go the squirt and then, so would you hold it upside down again? Like,
Right.
push it a few times. Oh, there we go. And it says to only use water.
Oh.
So,
It's a little trigger happy.
it's just a little bit.
Okay. Oh, okay. So how... it doesn't go all the way down.
Windshields is so hard to tell. You think you do a great job,
Old
and then
oil
you get out in the
change.
sun, and then it, or like the sun's in the...
Yeah. No, it seems
certain
like
light.
this should... See,
go
it
the
sprayed
other-
all my dash.
Um,
And then I can't go...
can you get down there?
I can get around that way. I can't get all the way down. Oh, yeah, I can. I just have to get
I'm
creative.
gonna go outside. So we changed locations. So now we're going to do the back window. We're trying to get different light here so we can see.
See, this kind of works because the window's up.
It's up, right?
So that works. Did you see? I mean, it was pretty dirty.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. Let's see.
clean. It looks clean.
Okay, some of the issues, I mean, it kind of works. Some of the issues were, like in the commercial, I think it's different.
I think this is different. This is underneath. Like if I was going to clean right here, that sprayer needs to be, I guess, underneath.
Because if you turn it the other way, then the handle wants to...
Right, so it's like that.
Right.
So I'm using it. But then it's upside down.
Right, so if you spray...
I spray, where's it going to go? Yeah, it just goes kind of down my dash. Look, and I didn't, it just
it's like all over the dash.
Yeah, it's all over the dash now.
It's almost...
Oh, and see, and
then
it
it
just
drips.
keeps coming out. I mean, I think it works. I think the microfiber cloth works with the water, which is crazy. But I think that this setup is a little off. Okay.
All right, so one thing I thought, this removes, but I didn't know if this would mess up the hose that's, the...
Oh, if it twisted.
If it would twist it. Because obviously I think they changed the design. Okay. Because if you did it, see, you can't, like this. Let's see, that happens. So,
see, yeah.
It's only better if there was some type of latch that you had to, instead of just a button.
Yeah.
So
when you put any kind of force, it
Right.
pops.
See, it just turns the, I don't know, just look different on the commercial. This is almost like I have to, if I do this.
Yeah, that keeps popping.
Okay, I think this is a good idea. First of all, they said you could use it for other things in the home if you wanted to dust with it, or if you didn't want to spray water, just use the microfiber for the dusting. I think it just needs a better design. I think it's a good idea, but I don't think it was just too many, like this bending,
It just easily pops
without
out.
having to,
Yeah.
And this thing here, it doesn't turn, but I think it should to close it. And I think that would be better too, so it wouldn't drip at all.
Yeah.
That would be a better design.
So for that reason, for these reasons,
we got to give it a thumbs down.
we do. It's not worth $15.
No, because the one I got at the Dollar Tree, you could do that. You could just spray this with water, or spray your windshield with, and then clean it that way. It just, there's too many cons, I think, to outweigh the good.
Unfortunately.
So if you have used the Hurricane Windshield Wizard, let us know, or you know of a better way to clean your windshield.
Let us know.
Without leaving streaks. Let us know in the comments below. So you know what time it is?
Question of the day time.
Question of the day. It's in my pocket.
Oh, it's in her pocket.
All right. It's a this or that.
Okay.
Facebook or Instagram?
I'm still Facebook.
I use Instagram more.
Yeah.
Oh, this I don't even have to ask you because I know the answer. Phone call or text?
Text. Don't call me.
Unless it's an emergency.
Your arm's been cut off.
Right. Don't call her. Passenger or driver?
No, you have to answer that too. Is it just me?
No, I would say text. I text more than I call. Yeah. I very seldom talk. Yeah. Maybe 2 calls a week, maybe.
Yeah. I'm not a fan.
Passenger or driver?
I like to be the driver.
I like to be the driver. Be in control.
I like to be the
Dog or cats?
cat.
Dog. Bath or shower?
Shower.
Shower. All right. So below, put yours either or, and be interesting to see.
Yeah.
The phone call and text will be very interesting, I think.
Yeah.
I think people are moving away from phone calls. Yeah. Because I think it's more of you don't know what somebody's doing.
Right.
So you don't want to
intrude.
Right. You'd rather, when they have time to talk than
Yeah. I mean, I will talk to you on the phone.
Right.
But
But usually,
it's usually
if
just
I need
bleep,
it,
bleep, bleep,
right?
bleep, bleep.
But or
Yeah.
I would say, do you have time to talk? I would text
Yeah,
you first.
right. Yeah.
I just don't know what you're in the middle of. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.